Hello, this is Darren Martineau from Master of Magic University. And in this video, I'd like to explain a little bit about the membership sites because I have many exclusive magic products. I have over 250 magic products. So the Master Magic University, um, it's $20 a month, okay, and you get access to all of my products, and I'm adding new products every month, okay? That's thousands of magic you're going to learn there, okay? Over 250 products within there. There's thousands of videos and hundreds of books. You get access to all of the magic video tutorials and all of the magic books, my own personally written books, and also classic magic books as well, okay? Then we have Master Magic Mentors, which is only $5.99. You get access to a lot of magic, but not as much. Okay, I'm still adding a lot into there. That's more geared towards beginners, although it has beginner, intermediate, and advanced material in it. The Master Magic Mentors is only $5.99 a month, and the Master Magic University is $20 a month. Okay, so the difference, you get access to all the products. So I want to make that very clear so that you understand that. So what I'm going to offer to you now, okay, as a Happy New Year gift is access to my Master Magic course. I'm going to give you in the first email, there's going to be 8 videos. Okay, this is going to give you a glimpse inside of my system. However, that's not all of my best magic secrets. They're inside of the system, but it's going to give you a glimpse to some of the material that I put in there. I will also be sending you magic in there. So put in your name and email, and I will give you access to my Master Magic mini course, okay, where I talk about the theory of magic, how I teach, and I'm going to give you access to 8 magic video tutorials in the first email and much more. So join and I'll see you on the inside. Thank you.